The shirts are here. These are the shirts that are gonna be the Beard and Hat Actor brand. And also the neck labels have arrived. These are gonna be the inside neck tags for our shirts. I put all of the sizes together. So you have the small, the mediums, the large, and the extra large. Obviously, there's some sizes that are gonna sell more than the other ones. So I took an idea of what I thought was gonna sell the most. The neck labels come in what's called a gang sheet. They come all of them together. I have here a cutter, but unfortunately on this one, my sheet doesn't fit. So what we're gonna do is just take a pair of regular scissors and cut them by hand. Our t-shirts are gonna be soft, clean, and ready. Very soft to the touch. It's got a little stretch. Before applying the neck labels, you gotta rip the labels that come from the factory. I'm using this pillow to put behind so I can create a raised surface to put my neck label right there. Set the temperature for 340 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the label. This is the part where the ink is. So you're going to apply it like this so you can read it correctly and just put it into position. Now we're going to press at 340 degrees for 10 seconds. We lift it up, bring it out, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and peel.